Hello friends, welcome to our channel Products and Demo. Today I am again here with a Amway home care product, that is Pursue. Pursue is a disinfectant and cleaner. As I have mentioned before, that all our Amway products are concentrated and they have to be used in dilution. Now this Pursue is it can be used for cleaning. It is a germicide, it is a versucide, it is a sanitizer, fungicide and a deodoриzer. Now all the usage, how we have to make the dilutions, they are given in this back side of this bottle. This is the dilution bottle. Now if we take for a normal use, if we take the dilution, this is a 500 ml dilution bottle. You have to fill plain water in this, and in this you have to add 4 ml of Pursue. This diluted solution can be used up to 48 hours. If you have to clean any of the surface, if you have sanitized or if you have to germicide anything, you have to prepare this solution, spray it on that surface and keep it for 10 minutes. It carries out its own function. Now this Pursue can be used at home, it can be used in hospitals, and as it is also useful for industrial use. So in hospitals also, if there is any not only in hospital, even at home, if there is any infectious person or contagious disease, if you have to stop the disinfect the clothes or vessels of that person, prepare a diluted solution and dip that clothes and vessels in the tub, and it is disinfected. Now for as I before said, that it is a deodoриzer. In toilets or near dustbins, under the basin, you have to just spray this and it carries out its function. If we see, the MRP of this Pursue is 299. If you can see here, it is 299 MRP and its expiry date is expires in 36 months. So this bottle you can use for a longer time. As the dilution, we have to use it in dilution. The cost per use of Pursue for the 500, means if I take 500 ml of water and 4 ml of Pursue in it, the cost for this bottle is up to 2 to 3 rupees. So all these Amway products are cost effective. If we use it with proper dilution as given behind, there are proper indications of the use of this Pursue, so you can use it. And in this COVID pandemic, it is very helpful for us. Instead of using all the harmful things which are in the of X brand, you can use this. If anyone needs, as you have before informed, that these products are only available by the Amway distributor, so you can contact, and the description given